It's hard. It can be extremely difficult to find hope and happiness. Jason is here to tell us all about Hope Kits and how they're helping Utahns during times of adversity. Thank you so much for joining us, Jason.
So great to be here.
We are so glad to have you. Now, you are bringing hope and happiness to the people. Tell us about Hope Kits.
Absolutely. So the Hope Kit is a gift package that's designed for people that have lost a loved one, diagnosed with cancer, mental illness, to just boost their spirits and give them hope. This was inspired from my wife that passed away from cancer.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Thank you. And my boys were just suffering. We were suffering. So we created a lemonade stand that raised $1,500.
Oh, that's incredible.
And then we made all these kits that we begin to pass out to people that were struggling. So for us, it was a mental timeout as we went about and delivered these kits to people that were suffering.
Well, and what a beautiful way to heal yourself, right, is helping others. And I'm sure, like, your wife is smiling down right now on a beautiful legacy of what you guys have created. So tell us a little bit about what's inside these Hope Kits.
So we designed it for people to get help and to be able to heal. My background is a clinical therapist, and I wanted this to last longer than just a quick moment of happiness.
Right, because those casseroles, they go bad.
And flowers, they die quickly.
They die quickly.
So we have a children's book in each box that's specifically targeted to those that are going through a hard time. So it helps them to work through those emotions and help them feel loved again. And then one of my most favorite things in here is support cards. So if we go through an event where a neighbor passes away or going through cancer, many of us don't know what to say.
Yes, always.
So these support cards is the person going through this event, they hand them to their friends, and they are specific phrases in there that you can text and you can say to the person to be able to help them through that process.
Oh, that's so great, because I think I genuinely believe that people are full of love and they want to help people, but they don't know what to say.
Exactly. Many people have said the wrong thing, and then when they say the wrong thing, they disappear from your support, and you so desperately need them to help you through that process.
So how can we get Hope Kits into the hands of the people that need them?
So a couple ways is you can get on our website at hopekit.com, or you can reach out and sponsor someone. We do something called Pay It Forward Friday, where you can nominate someone that's going through a hard situation, and we will deliver them or ship that to them and to bring them hope and comfort. Or you can reach out to me personally on my email, jason@hopekit.com, and we can connect you with these kits that are so helpful and healing for those people that need them.
Well, and this started with just a simple lemonade stand, and now it is worldwide. You're helping people. So one more time, how can we be involved with this, and how can we support you as well? I'm sure this costs money to put these kits together.
It does. We're looking for people to sponsor these. We're looking for people to find these and get on our website and purchase those so that they can send those to people that need love and comfort at this time.
Healing the world, one Hope Kit at a time. Jason, thank you so much for being here, and thank you for sharing your story.
Thank you very much.